According to the 17th State of Agile report, 63% of Agile practitioners use Scrum, making it the most popular team-level framework. Let's begin our discussion of Scrum by taking a look at the configuration of a Scrum team.
It's recommended that a Scrum team have no more than 10 members.
Sometimes we call that a two-pizza team. You want to be able to comfortably feed the team with no more than 2 whole pizzas. Sans pineapple.
With olives, though.
Oh.
So that will include a Scrum Master who's accountable for ensuring everyone understands and applies the values, principles, and practices of Scrum.
A Scrum team also has a product owner who develops and communicates the product goal. They manage and help order the product backlog, ensuring the team has a steady flow of valuable work.
The remaining team members determine how the work will be done. They're also accountable for understanding, selecting, and executing work elements from the backlog.
Scrum teams work in sprints, each set at a consistent duration, typically 2 to 4 weeks. During each sprint, team members work on tasks and they continuously gather and incorporate feedback from stakeholders.
As a way to manage work and align on goals, Scrum includes events such as sprint planning, the daily Scrum, sprint reviews, and sprint retrospectives.
Now let's explore some of the potential benefits of using Scrum. First, one of the core strengths of Scrum is its focus on transparency and clear goals. Because large projects or initiatives are broken down into smaller, more manageable elements, it's easier for team members to see how their daily work supports larger goals.
Another benefit of Scrum is that it enables teams to become more iterative and responsive to change. And through the daily Scrum, team members are able to increase their communication and alignment.
Finally, through its inspect and adapt cycles, Scrum makes it easier for teams to identify and eliminate bottlenecks or other impediments without interrupting their overall workflow.
Let's shift gears and talk about some of the potential challenges of using Scrum. First, many new teams feel pressure to complete everything they committed to within the sprint. They see it as unyielding. But in reality, the time box is there to support a sustainable pace. It's about creating focus, not enforcing strict deadlines.
That's true, Bryan. It's also true that not every type of work can be conducted in sprints. Scrum may not be the best fit for teams that can't predict their tasks or workload ahead of time. While Scrum can handle changing priorities between sprints, teams whose workflow requires more frequent shifts will find other Agile approaches more suitable.
True. And that said, Scrum is an effective framework for many, many teams when their work allows for even minimal planning.